Thank you for choosing iSpring's whole house electric ball valve and sensors. This smart water control device detects leaks and automatically shuts off the water supply before any damage occurs. This video will show you how to install and operate the electric ball valve. Before we begin, carefully read the product features, product overview, and important user information sections in the user manual. Please note, the ball valve is for indoor use only. The ball valve operates using USB power and has a built-in battery for backup power during power outages. The ball valve fits 3/4-inch male NPT or 1-inch female NPT. The ball valve can pair up to 8 wireless sensors. Ensure all parts are included in the package and that you have all the required tools ready. Preparation. Press the on-off button on the ball valve to manually test opening and closing the valve. Please note that each open or close cycle takes approximately 20 seconds to complete. The manual on-off knob can also be used if needed. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation using push-fit connectors. Before we begin, ensure the threads are clean and free from debris. Remember to test the fitting size before applying any tape. It is important to apply plumber's tape in a clockwise direction. Carefully install and tighten the fittings into the electric ball valve's thread. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply and turn on a faucet on the water supply line to drain the remaining water and air from the pipe. Step 2. Find a suitable location on the water line for the electric ball valve to be installed. Measure and cut the water pipe. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 3. Install the electric ball valve to the pipeline. Ensure both inlet and outlet pipes are fully inserted into the connectors to prevent leaks. Step 4. Use the USB-C cable and adapter to connect the main valve to a power outlet. Step 5. Install the wired leak sensor into the port and place the probe under potential leak sources. The electric ball valve will alert you and shut off automatically when the probe contacts water. Step 6. Turn on the main water supply and ensure no leaks occur. The battery icon on the ball valve flashes once USB power is connected, meaning the backup battery is charging. When there's no USB power and the battery power is low, the valve will close automatically. Once the power comes back, reset the valve by pressing and holding the on-off button for 3 seconds. Wireless leak sensor. Please note that the electric ball valve must be plugged in when using the wireless feature. Step 1. Use a screwdriver to open the battery cover on the back of the wireless leak sensor. Install 2 AAA batteries into the sensor, then reinstall the battery cover. Step 2. Plug the USB-C power cable into the ball valve, and the wireless icon will flash for entering pairing mode. If the valve times out, reconnect the USB power to enter pairing mode. Press and hold the Set button on the wireless sensor for 5 seconds until you hear 2 beeps to pair it. Step 3. Press the Set button on the wireless sensor to toggle between regular and humid mode, and then place it in the desired location. Please note that regular mode is suitable for dry areas, such as living rooms, closets, or under appliances. Humid mode, however, is designed for areas where the floor may already be wet. In these humid areas, the sensor will only sound an alarm when the water level rises above 1/4 inch, which helps prevent false alarms caused by ambient humidity. Do not place the sensor on metal surfaces, as this may affect wireless signal transmission. Replace the wireless sensor batteries annually or when they are low to ensure continuous protection. When a leak occurs, the ball valve will sound an alarm as soon as the sensor detects water, and the ball valve will automatically shut off to prevent flooding. To reset the alarm and reopen the valve, press the valve's on-off button for 3 seconds after you have fixed any leaks. Congratulations! Your iSpring whole house electric ball valve installation is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you.